Welcome to miniOrange. Today we are going to see how Joomla SCIM server plugin integrate with Okta for user provisioning. Now go to Dashboard of Joomla. Click on System. Click on Extensions under Install. Now click on Install from Web. Search SCIM in search box. Select SCIM User Provisioning for Joomla. Click on Install. Now go to Components, then click on Joomla miniOrange SCIM, then click on SCIM Configuration tab. Now go to Okta Dashboard. From left menu section, click on Applications. Under this, click on Applications. Now click on Browse App Catalog. In search box, search SCIM. Then click on See All Results. Now select SCIM 2.0 Test App OAuth Bearer Token. Click on Add Integration button. Click on Next. Click on Done. Now go to Provisioning tab. Click on Configure API Integration. Now click on checkbox to enable API integration. Copy the SCIM base URL from miniOrange SCIM plugin. Paste SCIM base URL in field of SCIM 2.0 base URL. Now enter OAuth bearer token. Copy the SCIM bearer token and paste in the field of OAuth bearer token. Now click on Test API Credentials. Click on Save. Click on Edit. Enable the features of Okta User Provisioning as per your requirement. Click on Save. Now go to the Assignments tab. Click on Assign button, then click on Assign to People. Now assign the people that you want to assign. Click on Save and Go Back button. Now assign the number of people that you want to assign for this application. Click on Done. Now go to the Joomla. Now go to the users, then click on Manage. Here we can see users' information is updated accordingly. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Joomla SCIM server plugin with Okta for user provisioning. If you have any questions or any sort of assistance in configuring the plugin, or if you want any custom features, then reach out us, we will add it for you. miniOrange provides best user management solutions. Thanks for watching.